The diversity of life in the ocean. Part 1. The ocean is a vast and wonderful place that supports a great diversity of life and ecosystems. From the smallest microbes to the largest whales, from the sunlit surface to the dark abyss, from the tropical coral reefs to the polar ice caps, the ocean is home to millions of different species that have adapted to various environments and conditions. This video covers just 4 of the amazing creatures in the ocean. A subsequent video will highlight more. Now let us talk about whales, dolphins, sea turtles, and seals. Number 1. Whales. These are the largest and heaviest animals on Earth, and they belong to the group of marine mammals, and they have many adaptations and behaviors that make them unique. Here are some interesting facts about whales. The blue whale is the largest animal on the planet, weighing as much as 200 tons, that is approximately 33 elephants. The blue whale has a heart the size of a Volkswagen Beetle. Its stomach can hold 1 ton of krill, and it needs to eat about 4 tons of krill each day. They are the loudest animals on Earth and are even louder than a jet engine. The sperm whale, on the other hand, may not be the largest whale, but it has the biggest brain to have ever existed on Earth. Sperm whales are easily recognized by their massive heads and prominent rounded foreheads. Their heads also hold large quantities of a substance called spermaceti. Whalers once believed that the oily fluid was sperm, but scientists still do not understand the function of spermaceti. One common theory is that the fluid, which hardens to wax when cold, helps the whale alter its buoyancy so it can dive deep and rise again. Whales are not fish, but mammals. They breathe air, have hair, give birth to live young, and produce milk. Whales can communicate with each other using sounds, and some species, such as humpback whales, can sing complex songs that can be heard for thousands of miles. Whales also use echolocation to navigate and find prey in the dark. Whales can migrate long distances to find food and breeding grounds. Some whales, such as gray whales, can travel up to 10,000 miles a year, from the warm waters of Baja California to the cold waters of the Bering Sea. Whales can also dive deep into the ocean, up to 10,000 feet, and stay underwater for up to an hour 30 minutes. They have special adaptations such as blubber, large lungs, and slow heart rates that help them survive in these extreme conditions. Number 2. Dolphins. These are highly intelligent and social animals that are related to whales. They also have many adaptations and behaviors that make them unique. Here are some interesting facts about dolphins. Dolphins can communicate with each other using sounds such as clicks, whistles, and songs. Dolphins are capable of forming strong bonds with other dolphins and even with humans. They also show signs of self-awareness, which is a rare trait among animals. Dolphins are not only smart, but also sensitive and emotional creatures. Dolphins can form strong bonds with each other and cooperate in hunting, playing, and defending their territory. Dolphins sleep with 1/2 of their brain at a time and keep one eye open. It's believed they do this to keep an eye out for their group and for predators. They also sleep while swimming, either alone or in pairs. Dolphins can swim very fast, up to 30 miles per hour, and they can leap 20 feet or higher in the air. Number 3. Sea turtles. These are ancient reptiles that have adapted to live in the ocean. They too have many adaptations and behaviors that make them unique and fascinating. Here are some interesting facts about sea turtles. Sea turtles have a hard shell that protects them from predators and injuries. The shell is also part of the turtle skeleton, and it grows with the turtle throughout its life. Sea turtles can live in different habitats such as tropical, subtropical, and temperate waters. They can also migrate long distances to find food and nesting sites. Sea turtles have a special gland near their eyes that helps them get rid of excess salt from the seawater they drink. The gland produces salty tears that drip from their eyes, which can make them look like they are crying. Sea turtles have a remarkable sense of direction, and they can use the Earth's magnetic field to navigate. They can also return to the same beach where they were born to lay their eggs, even after decades of traveling. Sea turtles have a complex life cycle, and they face many challenges to survive. The female sea turtle digs a nest on the sand and lays about 100 eggs, then covers them and returns to the sea. The eggs hatch after about 2 months, and the baby turtles emerge and crawl to the water. Sea turtles can also hold their breath for 4 hours underwater, and they can slow down their heart rate to conserve oxygen. Number 4. Seals. These are semi-aquatic mammals, also known as pinnipeds. They are fin-footed, carnivorous, and mostly marine. They have streamlined bodies, thick layer of blubber that helps them stay warm and buoyant in cold waters, and flippers that help them swim and dive. Though not as fast in the water as dolphins, seals are more flexible and agile. The eyes of pinnipeds are relatively large for their size and are positioned near the front of the head. A seal's eye is suited for seeing both underwater and in air. Seals are able to see in darkness because their eyes possess a reflecting layer that increases sensitivity by reflecting light back through the rods. Seals feed on fish, squid, crustaceans, and sometimes birds, and they can hold their breath for up to 15 minutes underwater. Seals are social animals that live in large colonies, and they often haul out on land or ice to rest, breed, and molt. There is a lot to learn about the diverse forms of life in the ocean. Please come along on the next video to explore more. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.